Without further ado, let's jump right in and see what I got. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be my long-awaited birthday haul. So hello to all the Libras out there. So today I've got some items that I'm going to share with you from Cartier, Alexander McQueen, Roger Vivier. I've got some perfume and I've got a bag from Loewe. But before I jump into doing that, I'd just like to introduce myself for those who are new. Hello, my name is Kim and I'm a crazy bag lover. I live and breathe bags. I love jewelry. I love fashion. If that's your cup of tea, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would love to have you back. And make sure you click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So the first item I'm going to share with you today is a perfume, and this is my very first ever perfume from Frederic Malle Portrait of a Lady, which is extremely iconic. This perfume first came out in 2010, so I purchased this one from Selfridges. When I received this perfume, this is how it came. There was no plastic wrap around it. It's got a sleeve. Take off the sleeve, you open it up, and I got a 100ml bottle that I've admired this perfume for years, but I never bit the bullet. It is quite expensive. This retails for about 498 Australian dollars, and I got this one from Selfridges for $365, add 10% tax on top, so I got it for about $401. So I saved about $100 on this. It smells incredible. I absolutely love this. So the next items I'm going to share with you are two pairs of shoes that I got from Alexander McQueen and Roger Vivier, and this one arrived today. I got these Alexander McQueen exaggerated sneaker, and I got these in the gorgeous white patchouli. Patchouli being this absolute gorgeous blushy pink. The patchouli ones are quite hard to find, and they were a fantastic price because every other website that I saw these on, they were about $690 to about $780, and I got these ones for $593 from Net-a-Porter. I also got about 8.4% cash back, and then I also got 10% cash back with my credit card. So all up, these came out to be about $490 something. They look so cute on. These look really nice and clean, and it gives you a little bit of height as well because you've got the chunky thick platform. On the Net-a-Porter website it says that these are true to size, which is completely false. These are the size 38, so I went one whole size down, and I have wide feet. I wear 39 in Rockstuds, I wear 39 in Gucci Princedown slippers, so these are 38 and these ones fit absolutely perfectly. I find these really comfortable. I was in need of some really nice white sneakers and these ones came to mind, and these look really nice and clean and sharp, which I absolutely love. The next item that I got is also another pair of shoes. Now these are my very first ever Roger Vivier shoes. I also shared this with you guys on my Instagram stories. I do a lot of unboxings on my Instagram stories. You guys get a sneak peek first. So it comes with a little card. You've also got the one dust bag, and oh my gosh, these shoes are absolutely stunning. Look how cute. I'll take out the other shoe. So the sneakers that I got are these Roger Vivier Viv Run sneakers, and these are the ones with the gorgeous crystal buckle. These are iconic and classic. Got the gorgeous mesh detail. You've got the elastic. You've got sort of like a mesh detail on the bottom. You've got a platform sole. You've got the gorgeous Roger Vivier iconic crystal buckle. You've got a little bit of neoprene here as well. I've had my eyes on these for a number of years now. Net-a-Porter says that these are true to size. I do recommend going half size down for these. It's so comfortable. It feels like you're walking on clouds. For some reason Net-a-Porter had a wrong price. It was originally about $1,900 and something, and then these were a wrong price at $1,185, and then I saved 10% off because they had some sort of code, so I paid about $1,066. I got 10% cash back with Amex. All up I paid $900 something on these. Now the next item that I want to share with you is a Loewe bag that I got from 24S. I'm going to share with you the box that came in. So I received this one a few days ago. When you open up, you always get these absolutely gorgeous surprise pop outs. It's of like a Subway, and it says French work-life balance. I'll just open this up. So it says 24S, and inside was my invoice and the bag. I've taken the bag out, but just wanted to share with you the packaging. I've got my invoice there. So the bag that I got came in this dust bag, and now this dust bag comes in handy for this particular bag. So with that being said, can you guys guess what type of bag it is? All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! This is the Loewe basket bag. This one is the no size, which is in between the small and the medium. The Loewe has 4 sizes of the basket bag. So you've got the small, you've got the no size, which is this one, you've got the medium, and then you've got the large. This one is 44 centimeters across and 26 centimeters high. And the swing tag says basket bag, light beige, no size, made in Spain. Now I watched one of Emma Hill's videos, and she says that she got the no size one, which is this one, and she goes that she prefers this size over the medium because this is a great size for every single day. My first impressions of it was, oh, it's a little bit small, because I would have loved it just that little bit larger. And I think tan is such a gorgeous classic colorway because it's all handmade. Each individual Loewe basket bag is unique. Some of them can be woven a little bit wonky or not so symmetrical, but I think this one is quite symmetrical. It's just like an open weave basket bag. The retail price on this is about 770 Australian dollars. You can get a better price on Net-a-Porter or Matches Fashion, but they've sold out completely for a couple of months now. Now, I got this one at such a fantastic price on 24S. So the thing is, when you sign up with 24S, before you make a purchase, you click on your account to activate your account, which saves you 10% off your very first purchase, which goes as a credit onto your 24S account. So you can use that credit for another purchase. And that's what I did when I purchased my Vinnie Mini Peekaboo. That bag turned out to be a massive fail because it was like a display bag. It had scratches on the hardware. For the price that you're paying, it needs to be perfect. So from 770 minus 570, it came down to 200 Australian dollars. I also got 6.3% cash back, and I've also got 10% cash back with my credit card. All up, I paid about 168 Australian dollars on this, which is such a fantastic price point delivered to me. I absolutely love the whole concept and design of this bag. There's been a lot of copycats, but nothing compares to the original. I think it's very iconic and classic. Now, moving on to the very last and most juiciest part of my birthday haul, comes in this cute little shopper bag. This is going to be a true unboxing, and I purchased just before the price increase, which was September 1st. So I purchased a few days before that, and it came in this little shopper bag. Without further ado, let's get straight into opening it. Unboxing. I purchased this one directly from my SA from the Collins Street Boutique. I just have to get a pair of scissors. Hang on a sec, I'll just grab a pair of scissors. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Just put it on here. I'll just get a Stanley knife. Ooh, to reveal to you. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This is the first time we're seeing this together. First off, I've got my receipt. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so sweet. So I've got my receipt. I've got a little travel pouch, so you probably know what it is. I've got the certificate of authenticity. So it comes with a little hardcover case. Yeah, so I bought this in late August from Cartier. I'm so excited. And then, oh my gosh, I've got also another little travel pouch. And then next I've got, oh, this absolutely gorgeous Cartier Carrot perfume. It's an Eau de Parfum perfume, one of their deluxe samples. It's a 6ml deluxe bottle. And when you open it, it's so plain, and then bam, it's red inside. And you get this absolutely gorgeous, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Can't wait to use it. It looks stunning, so that's an absolutely gorgeous gift. Love my SA AJ. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And then that's nothing left in the box. And then it comes perfectly wrapped. Oh. I'll slide it out because I like to keep the packaging as pristine as possible. It's got the absolute gorgeous Cartier box. Lift up the lid. We've got this gorgeous box within a box. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! This is stunning. This is the Cartier Justin Clou with the diamond tips in the 18 karat yellow gold to match my Justin Clou bracelet with the diamonds. This is stunning. Oh my gosh, wow. I'll just try it on first. Oh, that is beautiful. And then I'll take it off and put it here. It does look quite large. Maybe I should have gone a 53, and it matches with my bracelet so well. It does run large to size, doesn't it? It's a little bit big. Alright, so I've tried the Justin Clue diamond tip ring on both hands. This ring runs quite large and it does look quite large. I got this size 54 because my love ring is a size 55. I remembered trying this ring on in the size 54 and size 53 in the boutique, and I didn't write down the size that I wanted, and so I thought, yeah, I'll go with the 54 just in case the 53 was a little bit tight. But this one runs quite large and it looks quite big. I mean, I can definitely wear it on my index finger, but I want to mainly wear this ring on the ring finger just because, yeah, I just find it a little bit more elegant. When I first saw it in the box, I was like, it looks like the thin version, but this is the classic thick version. And I chose the 18 karat yellow gold so that it matches the whole set, because I feel like Cartier's yellow gold is just very beautiful and buttery and luminous. My left hand index, it fits quite well on this finger. It fits perfectly. I wish they made an in-between size, right? Like 53.5. Fits quite nicely. But on the ring finger, it's very loose. Oh, it's so stunning, isn't it? But yeah, I think I do like it on this finger the most, the ring finger the most. I will have to... yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get the size down. Oh, I should have gone the 53. When the boutiques reopen, my lovely SAAJ says that I can exchange the size over as long as I don't wear it. So this is the first time I'm trying it on. Yeah, that is the ring. It is absolutely gorgeous and I absolutely love it. So I got this one before the price increase. I'm going to share with you the price. It did increase by I think $200 or $250. And the price of this, yeah, it did increase by $250. It is the ring in yellow gold with diamonds. It was 5,700 Australian dollars. Size is so important. It feels quite loose and I don't like the loose feeling so much. This one is okay because the width of this is quite wide. So when you do wear it on your finger, it just feels comfortable. It just feels right straight away. No matter what hand I wear it on, I still feel like it's not going to just fly off. Whereas this one, I just feel like it's going to fly off. And what if I wear them sort of semi-stacked together? I won't let them touch, but I'll show you what that looks like. So that's what it looks like. I'll give you a little pointer tip when it comes to purchasing Cartier rings, because you know it is expensive. You do want to make the right choice in size. When I purchase my Cartier rings, I like to purchase them in either autumn or spring, because I don't want it to be too hot when I purchase my rings because my hands tend to swell. You want to make sure that your rings fit perfectly. I definitely will have to go into the boutique and try on the next size down, compare it to this size, see how I go. So it's going to stay hidden in the box until lockdown ends, which hopefully will be the end of October. So we've still got another month to go until lockdown ends and retail shops are able to open. I can tell straight away it's a big size. 54 is huge. Like it just slides on my ring finger so easily. Yeah, the diamonds take it to the next level. I was so close to purchasing this ring in rose gold, plain, no diamonds, and I'm so glad that I didn't. So yeah, it's a very cute little addition to my collection and a perfect little token to celebrate my birthday, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. So yeah, I don't know why my ear is just really red at the moment. So cute. So that is all for my birthday haul video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'd love to know which item was your favorite from my birthday haul. My top two favorites would definitely have to be the Justin Clue ring. I think it's absolutely stunning. I'm so blessed to finally add it to my collection, and I love purchasing one piece of jewelry every single year to celebrate a milestone, whether it be a birthday or an anniversary, and in this case it's for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. I love Cartier's yellow gold. It's buttery, it's smooth, it looks luminous, it's just very beautiful. I absolutely love this. This is stunning, and I absolutely love these Roger Vivier Viv Run sneakers. I don't think I've come across anyone who has this shoe, and yeah, I just love these little added gifts from my lovely SA as well. So if I've left anything out, please do check out the description box down below. I'll leave the links of all the items I mentioned in today's video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take care until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye.